Bambu Studio is quietly ruining your print, and it's doing that on purpose. You probably tried to pull up a model that you have, but automatically it goes down to the build plate. And this happens because Bambu is trying to save you time and money. And what's even crazier is that the face that's touching the plate has a different texture than all of the other faces in your print, which is another problem. But I will show you how to fix it in 60 seconds. So here we go. You have the model, you right click without selecting anything, add primitive, cube, or whatever shape you want, and then you go to object. You have two objects here. You select first one, control select the second one. Now they're both selected, right click and merge. Over here you select the ball that you want to print or the mesh that you want to print and go to selection, and now you can move it up and it stays up as you can see over here. You don't need to sacrifice this part, so what we're going to do is we select it, make it as small as we can, like 0.1, which is smaller than the nozzle that we have. Now it's smaller than the nozzle head, so it's not going to print it, or the slicer is not going to see it. You can select your support, and here you go. The texture is not going to be affected with the base touching the plate, and the other piece is not there. It's not identified by the slicer.
And this is how to solve this problem in under 60 seconds.
Comment down below what you want me to solve in 1 minute for my next video.